What's up, my J Dots and baby J's? Welcome back to my channel. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn the post notifications on so you can know when your girl posts. And as y'all can tell by the title, I am doing another hair review over this beautiful ombre highlighted wig that I got from Unice Hair. So thank you, Unice Hair, for sponsoring this video. And yeah, we're just gonna get straight into it because this hair is giving vacation, giving very much a look, you know what I'm saying? And this hair did come pre-highlighted. And one thing I like about this hair is that it does not look, you know, harsh lines like, you know, some highlighted wigs. It has like the blonde hair that's just like a streak. It's like blending like all over. As y'all can see, it has it underneath and it has some browns underneath as well. But yeah, I just feel like this wig does not have like the harsh lines. It's like more blended and well, you know, colored. It's not like a harsh line of demarcation of the hair. So that's what I love about it. This is their Unice, the honey blonde highlight lace front curly human wig, and I got a 13x4 lace, and it's also 150 density, and it's really thick, as y'all can tell. And this is not even the big as it gets. Like, it gets super big. I actually just plucked a little bit of the hairline because it did come pre-plucked around the edges. Although one thing about this hair, the edges, they curl up. So because the hair is like kinky curly, the edges do curl up. So I really had to, you know, work with it, get off camera and work with it. I got this in a 24-inch, so it stopped right here, stretched out. It probably goes below about to my waist. So yeah, this is some really good hair. It does not tangle. Like, I know curly hair, when you get out the pad, it's like you gotta, you know, brush through it or whatever, but this hair came like soft, silky. But I do recommend like getting a moisturizing shampoo or conditioner because this is colored hair, so it's stripped of its moisture. So I would add some more back into the hair. So I just use my Tresemme. I put it up on the screen, and y'all know I love big hair, so I don't really define the curls, but the curls were given like, and the lace is like a light brown. I don't think it's a dark brown lace, so it doesn't say what type of lace it is, but I think it's like a light brown because the dark brown would have showed up super dark on me. And yeah, I have all the coupon codes down below, the link to this wig. And yeah, I'm just really in love with this. This gives vacation, you know, island vibes. It's really cute. It's giving Beyonce, period. But yeah, I really just washed this, put some conditioner in it, and you know, let it air dry. And these are the curls that I got when I blown it out. And then this is the back of the hair. And normally on my, you know, honey blonde wigs, I do not bleach the knots, and this time I'm loving the bleach knots. Like, it's giving very much scalp. Normally I just put the wig on and I do not worry about bleaching it, but I saw a video and this girl bleached her honey blonde wig, and I was like, you know, let me try that. And I really loved how it came. It looks like scalp. The wig is kind of too small for me. I've heard a lot of reviews that the wigs come small for this unit, so I don't know how other wigs come, but this one, it stopped like right here. And normally my wigs be down here, like I be pulling them, but you'll see in the video. So I had to kind of finesse it, sort of. So it was just too small for me. So, and I don't think you can change the size, so you might want to measure your head before you get this wig, so you don't be like, Jada, you taught me that this wig. No, I didn't, sis. I told you measure your head before you get the wig. Yeah, I think it's like a 22.5. I really think it's just the wig itself because I wear a 22.5 in other hair companies, so I don't know what is the issue. Maybe the hair was pushed back, I don't know. But yeah, make sure you measure your head before you order this wig. Right now I am using my same plucking method, which is by Arrogant Tay. If you are new to this channel, you can check out my old videos to see like specific on how to do this. And this hairline was pre-plucked, so I didn't have to pluck much, so that was great.